I started this pen drawing early May 2025, spring semester at CSU San Marcos. Completing a bachelor's degree was one of my dreams, and it took almost 50 years to accomplish. My educational journey in California started in summer 1992 at Palomar College. On May 16, 2025, I graduated at CSU San Marcos with Bachelor of Art in Art, Media, Design, Magna Cum Laude. Some of my initial thoughts were visualizing my heart. What does it look like? It is always beating and guiding me on what is the right and appropriate thing to do, especially in complex situations and challenges. Let's explore this image, shall we? The colorization, long and short lines, stippling, and symbols were inspired by microscopic images by my Google searches for heart, muscles, and tissues. The upper left and right, lower left and right quadrants are my visions on how my heart would look like. A family member once told me I have a big and generous heart. The heart shape is from the Torrey Pines State Reserve South Beach cliffs. There is a section of erosion that is shaped like a big heart, a few million years in the making. The triangle on the middle is a symbolization of what I refer to as triangulation. You see, I must remember that I always have at least 3 choices in any given situation. Accept, remove, or change. I am never stuck. There is always a choice. What I find challenging is doing the right thing at the right time. The rock formation is representing my collection of pebbles and rocks from my low tide walks at Torrey Pines State Reserve, South Beach, La Jolla, California. There were times the beach was very rocky and hard to walk on. The colors, patterns, sketches are my recollection of what some of the millions of rocks look like. The optimism symbol is my reminder of not losing hope, and when there's a will, there's a way. This drawing is my reminder. Listening to my heart has enabled me to see and feel what I must do to deal with situations and conflicts, especially when I felt like my whole being was torn apart and all I wanted to do is to curl into a fetal position and cry. Life is hard, challenging. It's a daily grind, yet worth it. I am fortunate I can get up each day and face each day with gratitude. I choose to live a present time with clarity, attention, and focus. As a survivor of physical and emotional child abuse, I could say art has become an outlet and outreach for me. I am a survivor, warrior, grandmother, and a citizen of the world. I strive to be the best I can be each day, especially for my family. Family first. My hopes are to share my artwork, make someone smile, be grateful for today, and keep hope alive. Thank you for watching. Keep exploring with me. Stay tuned. There's more to come because every day is worth it.